We mentioned the trigger wizard a couple of minutes ago, but what is it exactly? The trigger wizard is a pop-up window that gives you a set of pre-programmed cascading options designed to make it easier to create engagement without needing to know HTML or JavaScript. That doesn't mean you can't use HTML or JavaScript to build interactivity. You can absolutely add custom code through the JavaScript editor. The benefit of using the trigger wizard is that the HTML and JavaScript programming is already built into the system, so you can focus on the learning experience instead of the coding. Now, let's look at the layout of the wizard. It's divided into three main sections: action, when, and conditions. The action defines what you want to happen. In this example, the slide will advance to the next one. The when defines what causes that action to occur. Here, the slide advances when the slide starts. And the condition section allows you to set specific requirements that must be met before the action takes place. In this case, there aren't any conditions required for the slide to advance. The trigger wizard has a series of cascading options, meaning that you will first select the action, and that will give you specific options for that specific action. The same concept applies to the when. Depending on what you select, you'll see different options for the object. After you open the wizard, you'll see what looks like and acts like hyperlinks. You'll select these links to open a second window to choose the desired action.